Alrighty. We're gonna be making this with my new voice. So let's see how this goes. We are prepping this dinner for myself. Yes, we are cooking this pork chunk. I decided to cook it this way. Meanwhile, I'll be putting it inside the oven for personal reasons. No oil, even better. I'll turn my heat up and let's watch out. Okay, this is my pretty seasoned chunk of pork, and we are using this method today. It is actually seasoned, but I'll give it time to do what it does. I want to put a little oil, just a little bit. Yep. As it circumferences the piece of chunk, I'm gonna bring in my flavor, which is just garlic and onion and tomatoes. I rarely eat tomatoes. I thought today we should use them. I'll give it a little time, and then later we'll put it down in the oven. It is pretty fresh, so we'll give it a little time. Okay, it is basically roasted, and I'll put some liquid in it, keep the juices in there. My water would have been ready, but I'm gonna use it not ready. Today I choose water because, yeah, I want it to be light soup, very light. And turn my water back on and do this. Just like this. So what will happen? I've covered my pan in foil so that I don't have to change it, and I'll just cover it. I'll put a foil here too, but then it will go in the oven. Just like that. Okay, now that I just covered the whole thing, it is ready to go under in my oven. Just like that. That's hot and done. I'll put on my timer. How we doing? It is going this way. It's not yet ready. We'll keep it in there for now. I'm making homemade fries with it. Now this is how it is. Was finished off in the oven, and we're gonna dish it out. Yep, that's my plate. Let's go. Now this is how it turned out in 3D. Yep, it's definitely gonna be eaten with homemade fries. Beautiful turnout. I love it. I decided to put all the sauce on my food. I still wanna ketchup, but I'll see if it works with it. Just a single line and a single line and one more line. This is how you do it. That's in 3D, made by me. Bon appetit.